Welcome to Mini Habit Mastery. This is the scientific way to change your habits. Teachers often think that they're doing a fine job, when in reality, many are coming across as saying blah, 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 blah. Let me ask you, what is boring, unrelatable, torturous, and sleep-inducing? The answer is most forms of education. You can be a brilliant rocket scientist and also a lousy teacher. Did you know that several studies have found in one way or another that having fun helps you to learn? It's true, and that's why Mini Habit Mastery is fun and interesting. You will learn more because of it. So come prepared to enjoy yourself, engage with the material, and you'll have a great time. And one last thing. This information is important. This course can change your life. Anyone can succeed with this strategy. So, let's get started. Each section will begin with a quote and a summary or key takeaway. For the introduction, the quote is by Benjamin Franklin, who says, "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn." And related to that, the takeaway from the introduction is that we're not here to lecture you that much. We want to show you the principles and concepts in this course as much as we can. And how are we going to do that? Well, special segments. We have 4 special segments, and they greatly enhance your enjoyment of Mini Habit Mastery. So here they are in greater detail. First up, we have Studies Brought to Life. In this segment, Laura and I will act out real studies to bring them to life for you as they are being explained. It's even more fun than it sounds because some of these studies are actually really funny. Second, we have Blank in Action. In these action sequences, Laura will act out key concepts within common life scenarios. So, for example, the motivation in action sequence shows Laura in her quest to get and stay motivated to write a book. Throughout these scenes, I will explain what's going on with Laura and why. In-action scenes are both fun and effective ways to learn. And one reason why is that the brain is naturally very visual. Your idea of the word beach probably looks like this. To me, this image is what I think for the word paradise. And your idea of the word handsome might look like this. I'm not sure how that got there, but you get the point. We see the world in a very visual way, and our aim is to activate that part of your brain. Next up, we have Science Break. If we veer too far off into theory or casual discussion, we might need to take a science break and dig into some hard data. Finally, we have the Coffee Break Wrap-Up. In the Coffee Break Wrap-Up, we're going to sit down and have a cup of coffee with you. And we'll discuss everything we've learned in the preceding section. And like coffee, the Coffee Break Wrap-Up will make you feel warm inside,